Is this the best starter phono preamp money can buy? Let's see if the Fosi Audio BOX X5 lives up to this claim. Okay, so if you just started collecting vinyl, probably learned that the turntable needs a phono preamp. Without one, your records sound weak, flat and way too quiet. But here's the problem. Cheap preamps often sound lifeless, and good ones actually cost a small fortune. The BOX X5 promises to be the sweet spot. Affordable, upgradable and most importantly, musical. The BOX X5 works both with MM and MC cartridges, so whether you are rocking a moving magnet or moving coil, you are covered. It has 4 gain settings, 38, 48, 56 and 66 decibels, so you can fine-tune it to your cartridge. Solid aluminum build, front power switch, MM and MC toggle with the gain control on the back. Now straight out of the box with the stock NE5532 OP amp, the BOX X5 already delivers. The sound is clean, accurate and musical. For a beginner or even an intermediate listener, it's everything you would want in a phono stage at this price. But the fun part is the upgradable path. Fosi designed this with a socketed OP amp, which means you can swap the chip yourself. Drop in a Texas Instruments OPA1612 and the difference is unreal. Suddenly the sound opens up. The instruments and vocals get their own space, there's air in the mix and the details come alive. It goes from good budget preamp to wow, this competes above its class. On paper, the upgrade improves the signal to noise ratio and lowers distortion. In real listening, that means quieter background, better micro details and more clarity across the board. So, is the Fosi Audio BOX X5 the best starter phono preamp money can buy? For the price, it's definitely one of the strongest options out there. Stock, it's clean, it's musical, it's beginner friendly. Upgraded, it's detailed, airy and competitive with pricier gear. If you are looking for a preamp that grows with you, the BOX X5 is an easy recommendation. What do you think? Would you keep it stock or try the upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you are into budget audiophile content, hit that like and subscribe for more.